Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, where I share my creative process. I hope my work inspires you to explore your own creativity. Bears have become a new passion. I simply love making them. Today I am creating a felting bear using the dry felting technique. If you've never tried felting before, I highly recommend reading a bit about how to hold the needle at the right angle and avoid breaking it. And trust me, at least one needle will break. It happens to everyone. Be careful and protect your fingers. I always start with a tightly felted base, making sure the density is consistent throughout. I prefer a firm felting style, so my figures turn out dense and sculptural. Since I'm self-taught, I don't know if there's a right way to do this, but this method works for me. I've never held another artist's felted work in my hands, so it will be interesting to compare styles someday. Then the form feels right, I move on to adding color. For this bear I am blending 3 shades of brown by hand, adjusting as I go. The final layer adds even more structure and detail, making the figure feel complete. The head and body are sculpted in one piece, but the nose is made separately. A firm little shape with a rough edge which makes it easier to felt into the face seamlessly. I blend a touch of beige into the wool for a softer, more natural transition. I shape the ears in the same way, leaving the edges soft so they attach smoothly. I love this stage. It's when the personality starts to appear. Tiny details like ear, eyes, placement and size can completely change the character of the bear. Now it's time to meet my bear. I sew on tiny glass bead eyes, adjusting their position carefully. The size and placement make such a difference. It's where his personality really comes through. For the nose, I use the same thread, stitching in place to give him a sweet, classic expression. Since this bear will be sitting, I make sure his body is well balanced. I felt the arms and legs separately, leaving one edge loose for attachment. Once they are in place, I refine the surface, making sure everything looks smooth and natural. Now, my favorite part, giving the bear his final character. I start with a craft paper bag and resize it to fit his proportions. Then I filled 2 little baguettes, blending warm colors to create a realistic golden baked look. A few shallow cuts with a knife and texture to the bread surface. They look almost real. An elegant yet slightly worn scarf completes his look. I select a fabric that feels soft and slightly aged, fraying the edges to give it character. A little watercolor tint adds the final touch, making it feel like a beloved accessory he's worn for years. To make the bear feel even more alive, I lightly shade the ears, snout, and fabric folds with brown oil paint, adding a subtle edge effect. Soft pink pastel gives him a warm expression on his face. These little touches makes him feel like a storybook character. And here he is, my little Parisian bear, complete with his fresh bread and effortless charm. A character full of warmth, ready to bring a touch of coziness wherever he goes. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. If you enjoyed watching, feel free to like and subscribe for my creative projects. I appreciate every person who takes the time to be here. See you in the next video. Bye!